Okay, first off, you're going to open up the Instagram app, and then you're going to go to settings in the top right corner and hit settings. Next, you're going to go down to help. Then you're going to go to the help center. Next, you're going to go down to managing your account. Next, you're going to go down to delete your account. And then you're going to go to how do I delete my Instagram account. Next, you're going to scroll down to delete your account page. You're going to tap on that. And then now it's going to bring you to the page where you're going to be able to delete your Instagram account. Next, you're going to want to choose why, or the reason why that you want to delete your account. And then once you do that, you're going to re-enter your Instagram password, and there you have it. You're going to be able to hit delete and delete your Instagram account. Thank you for watching. Please leave comments and share, hit like and subscribe.